So I'm standing below basically a death trap, Calvert Cliffs. Here's the cliff. Go back up. Not even that high, this section. Scary though. So I got bored because I wasn't finding many shark's teeth. So I brought this guy out, dug a hole, and found something that I have no clue if it's old or not. But someone's got to tell me because it's really pretty cool looking. Look at this. I didn't even move it yet. What the hell is that? Some kind of a deadbolt, but old. Look at that. From a weapon? Or just something modern, just looks old? Someone tell me. I gotta post this and figure out what this guy is. This is some detail. I don't know if it's old or not. It looks it. Alright, well, I'm gonna walk away from these trees that are about to fall on my head. Back in Doylestown, battle detecting, Equinox 600, Line Lab, Profine 35, pinpointer, wheat penny. $19.41. Cool. Alright, I've been really focused on copper sounds, which I think range, at least on my machine, on my field, about between 20 and 23, something like that. Anyway, I've been finding large cents here a lot, but this isn't one, but it's small, and just in case it's another wheat penny. See it down there? It's right around where the other one was. And it is. Okay, let's see if I can get focused. It's like a 1952. Just got a decent signal, rung up as a 20, between 20 and 22. And I think I see a buckle, which is pretty cool. Found one of these last week, and I think I put it on the video, but let's take a look. Yeah, cool, old buckle. No good with buckles, so if anybody wants to help, I'd appreciate it. I'll do the finding, you guys help with the identifying, because I definitely need it. Age, what it was on, would be great. It's 1995. It's getting dark. Not finding shit. But here's something. And I also suck with bullets. So guess what I'm gonna ask from y'all? Is this a 3-ringer? Because I picked it up right after I found it, and I can't tell. I don't even see 3 rings, but is it old? Civil War? What do you think? It's like it hit something. Alright, I just flipped this out. I'm very curious what the other side's going to look like. Ended up not even needing to dig it. It was laying on the top. I never really found a button with a design on it yet, like that was visible. That was nice. It'd be great to have one here. Yeah, that's about right. Can't see anything on it. But seriously, you couldn't just put a design on there somewhere? Okay.